busy week. It's time for the Intense 5. Chris Breezy says that Kanye gifted him a luxury tank truck, apparently to celebrate his years in the biz and everything he's overcome. Really though? Chris disabled his comments on his page. We don't know why, and of course, people are speculating that they are preparing for something big.
Okay, so there's a new Cartel book coming in 2021. This time it's being written by a family member who says they want to ensure that people know his journey, where he's coming from. I'm sure it will be an interesting read.
Yeah, they're like, this perspective is from Adidja Palmer himself.
Okay.
So the first one was more like his philosophy, his way of thinking, da-da-da-da-da. No, he's clearing the air on something.
Oh, this is like an autobiography kind of vibe?
Kind of vibe. So he's going to be clearing. There's a lot of speculation and questions around certain things, and he's going to be clearing the air. That's what this book is all about.
Okay, cool, lovely.
The legendary footballer Diego Maradona has died. This sent the entire football world into mourning. It came as a shock because he was actually recovering from surgery he had 2 weeks ago. He was really one of the greatest. Yeah.
So the new curfew times have been released, and as expected, there will be restrictions on the holidays. Of course, there has been backlash, but there's a reason. We need to prevent another spike. So this holiday, follow the rules. Not bother with the indiscipline.
Yes.
Please.
January morning, we are hoping them can go back to school.
Exactly.
Yeah. And finally holding the spot this week. Grammy nominations are out, and in the reggae category are Toots, Skip Marley, The Wailers, Maxi Priest, and Buju Banton. Popcorn took to IG after the announcement and voiced his displeasure at not receiving a nomination for Fixtape. He has since deleted the post. So, we'll find out who walks away with it on January 31. But until then, congrats to the nominees.
Yep.
Yeah, congrats to you guys. And we'll just see who's gonna take it home. Who's your guess, Ash? I said Buju.
I said Skip. Just cause it's...
Marley?
Yeah.
I said Buju, but who knows, alright? But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to hit us up on IG for all things entertainment and more. Up next, Rasai is in the hot seat with Move Forward.